When it comes to creating show-stopping Halloween pumpkins, nothing captures attention quite like a glow-through design. This advanced carving technique transforms a simple pumpkin into a work of art, where delicate patterns shine with an enchanting glow. Achieving this level of detail requires the right tools, and that's where our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits come into play. Crafted for precision and durability, these bits are perfect for taking your pumpkin carving projects to the next level. To begin, select a healthy pumpkin with a smooth, firm surface. Clean and prepare your pumpkin as you normally would, cutting a lid, scooping out the seeds, and scraping the inner wall to a uniform thickness of about 1 inch or less. The thinner the wall, the brighter your glow-through design will appear, but be careful not to make it so thin that the pumpkin weakens or collapses. Now, decide on your pattern. Glow-through designs often mimic lace, filigree, or other intricate motifs. You can sketch your design directly onto the pumpkin's surface with a washable marker, or tape a printed pattern in place and use a pin to transfer the outlines. The key is to create areas where you'll remove just the outermost layer of pumpkin skin, leaving the flesh behind to diffuse the candlelight from within. This is where our Carbide burr die grinder tool bits truly shine. Attach a fine or medium-fine carbide burr to your rotary tool or die grinder. Unlike ordinary carving tools, our USA-made carbide burrs are engineered for precise, controlled removal of material. Their sharp, durable edges glide through the tough outer skin of the pumpkin, allowing you to peel away thin layers with exceptional accuracy. Hold the tool at a slight angle and gently trace along your pattern lines. Apply light pressure and let the carbide burr do the work, gradually shaving off just enough of the orange skin to reveal the lighter, moist flesh underneath. For especially delicate designs, like lace, filigree, or swirling vines, use a smaller, pointed burr to achieve fine details and tight curves. Work slowly and carefully, checking your progress often by holding a light inside the pumpkin to see how your design glows. The true magic of this technique is revealed once you illuminate your pumpkin from within. The carved areas, thinned by the carbide burr, become windows for light to shine through, casting soft, ethereal patterns. The contrast between the untouched skin and the glowing sections creates incredible depth and visual interest, making your pumpkin a true centerpiece. Our Carbide burr die grinder bits are designed to maintain their sharpness throughout your project, delivering clean, consistent results. They're not just for pumpkins. These versatile tools can be used year-round for woodworking, metalworking, and other crafts that demand precision. If you're aiming for professional-looking results this Halloween, investing in quality tools makes all the difference. Our USA-made carbide burrs are trusted by artists and craftsmen alike for their reliability and fine performance. Whether you're a seasoned carver or a curious beginner, these tool bits open up a world of creative possibilities for your next pumpkin masterpiece. As you embark on your glow-through carving adventure, we'd love to see what you create. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and inspiration. Have questions or want to share your Halloween carving stories? Leave your comments below. We can't wait to hear about your spooky, glowing creations. Happy carving!